Did you know that over 90% of traders quit trading in their first year? Are you losing money in forex trading? Have you been jumping from video to video on YouTube to find that perfect strategy? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sumit and I'm the author of this book on hedging and trading management. Today, I'm going to talk to you about 5 mistakes that new traders make while trading and how you can avoid them. Now, if you're just starting on your trading journey or you're looking at refining your strategy, this video is packed with actionable tips. So let's get straight into it. Mistake number 1, trading without a plan. Beginners jump into trading without a clear strategy. This is a recipe for disaster. Imagine going on a road trip without a map or a sat-nav. You can easily get lost, right? And the same goes for trading. So what should you do? To start with, do these 3 things. Define your entry criteria, define your exit criteria, and also what's your risk tolerance. Then build a step-by-step plan with these 3. Take a look at this example from a member of the TradeWiseNet community. See how he's defined the 3 steps. A clear entry criteria of when he will enter the trade, a clear exit criteria of when he would exit the trade, and when he will do trade management. Simple and clear. Mistake number 2, letting emotions dictate your trades. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies of any trader. Chasing losses and overtrading often lead to even bigger losses. Right, so now you've built your strategy, tested it well. Make sure that you stick to it at all times. Just because you found another strategy or something that you saw over the internet doesn't mean that you need to jump onto it immediately. Respect your live account and do all your testing on the demo account. Trust me, emotional trading can ruin even the best of strategies. This is why I dedicate an entire chapter in my book to emotional trading discipline. Mistake number 3, ignoring risk management. Many traders focus too much on potential profits and forget about the risks. Without proper hedging or position sizing, one bad trade can wipe out your account. Always risk only a small portion of your account on any single trade. Thumb rule says 1 to 2%. Always know your risk tolerance. This would ensure that you don't have any big drawdowns and it wouldn't bust your account. Mistake number 4, overloading yourself with information. It's easy to get overwhelmed with news, indicators, and analysis. This often leads to analysis paralysis, where you hesitate to make any decision. Stick to a few reliable sources of information. There's a lot of information out there, and following too many sources will only get you confused. Pick a couple and follow them. And finally, mistake number 5, not investing in educating yourself. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that requires time and learning. Read books, take a course, join a traders community. Invest in educating yourself. Trading isn't gambling. Respect it and it will respect you. So there you have it, the 5 biggest mistakes that new traders make while trading. Do you remember the 5 mistakes that we talked about? Go back into the video and note those 5 things down. Now, note down the 1 challenge you face while you're trading. Next, note down 1 thing which you will do differently from now on. Not 2 or 3, just make it 1. Make it simple. Take a look at this example from the TradeWiseNet community. This member has talked about his challenge. What is it that he would be doing differently? So he's challenged with making emotional decisions, making the same mistakes again and again. He's decided to maintain a trading journal. Here's a snapshot of my trading journal. Note that it has this column wherein I note down the whys, why I take this trade, why I exit from it. Watch this video, which would help you to learn on how to maintain a trading journal. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you like the content, hit like and subscribe. Pick up a copy of the book, the link to which is in the description below, and join the TradeWise community. I'll see you next week. Thanks everyone, and happy trading.